How to progress faster in calisthenics. To progress faster in calisthenics, you need to constantly increase the hardness of the exercise. Let's say you're able to do 10 proper push-ups for 3 sets. As soon as you're able to do 10 proper push-ups for 3 sets, increase your desired rep of push-ups each set to 15. That's what I mean by increasing the hardness of the exercise. And try to reach that goal in every set. Every single set you do should be of 15 reps. If it's not, no problem, just note it down what were the reps for the 3 sets, and then use it in your next workout as a record that you have to break in this workout. To increase the hardness, I don't only recommend reps, I also recommend using weights like weighted plates. And if you don't have weighted plates, just use a backpack full of water bottles and just try to rep out as much as you can with that weight. You just have to keep adding weight to your body by any means so that the exercise gets a little bit, a teeny tiny bit harder each time you do it, so you keep making gains. If you ask what do we do for legs, or what do I do for legs? For legs, I wanted to do jump squats because we don't have much weight. We should do and stick to the jump squats. The jump squats will increase your explosive strength and your overall strength of the legs. You also need good recovery and proper nutrition for faster recovery so that you're able to hit the workouts more frequently in a week, so that you're able to maximize the gains that you get. For that purpose, I recommend you to take the daily protein intake goal every day. I want you to complete it, especially the place where I live in India. People don't eat as much protein, so you need to get protein in every single time you're able to. And even if you don't track your protein macro, or even if you don't track your macros, just eat more stuff with protein in them. And please don't eat protein bars. Only eat whole foods with protein in them. For recovery, I'd recommend sleep for at least 9 to 10 hours each night so that you have to the point recovery. I used to sleep less than 7 hours each night for the whole past year, and believe me, my whole life seemed to be falling apart. It felt like I could do nothing in the afternoons. I wasn't productive in the mornings. I was tired in the evenings, and I was overall living like shit. I was literally hungry for sleep. Every chance that I could get for sleep, I'd sleep. Straight away, I'd sleep. I was just so tired throughout the day that I just wanted to lay in the bed. And you probably are experiencing that as well. And if you are experiencing that, keep in mind that you are not sleeping enough. You need to be in bed for at least 9 hours to have an 8 hours of sleep. And even if you don't feel like that, if you work out more, you'll automatically sleep more. You won't be able to wake up to an alarm. If you have worked out enough, you won't be able to wake up to an alarm that's set in 6 hours. Simply don't just wake up when you want to sleep more. It's bullshit. You'll feel worse if you get out of bed when you wanted to sleep. Rather, wake up when you don't want to stay in bed anymore and get straight to work. And that's it. Make sure to use these 2 points to your favor and you'll get your desired gains. And remember, nothing has ever stopped a man who wanted to do something in life. Peace.